Have you ever stared at an empty wallet on your child's birthday, feeling the crush of unpaid bills steal your joy? It's a pain millions of parents know, from Lagos markets where inflation bites deep to New York streets where rents soar. In 2026, this hits harder than ever. But imagine turning zero savings into lasting family security. Welcome to Rise from Roots, your guide to rising strong. If you're new here, thumbs up and subscribe now to join parents building better futures. Let's turn struggles into strengths together. As a father in Lagos, Nigeria, I recall nights when rising food prices, up 40%, and doubled school fees left my salary stretched thin. I'd go without meals so my 3 children could eat, seeing my wife carry the load with quiet resolve. No savings meant every unexpected cost felt like a blow, trapping us in survival. Yet this echoes worldwide. In New York, 70% of families scrape by paycheck to paycheck with escalating rents. In the UK, cost of living forces tough choices like heat over holidays. In Canada, job shifts and healthcare delays add the same weight. We parents start from shared roots, deep in worry, but those roots can ground us. My own path showed me vulnerability is the starting point for real change, transforming dark times into a foundation for my family's security. Let us shift to action with 5 battle-tested lessons to build from zero savings to family security, like planting roots that grow into a protective tree. These are for parents everywhere, starting small. 1. Track every kobo or dollar. This roots your awareness. Log daily expenses to spot leaks. In Nigeria, free apps like PiggyVest handle Naira swings. Globally, Mint works seamlessly. A UK mom slashed 20% from groceries by identifying fees. Imagine doing that for your kids' school costs in Canada, turning chaos into family control. T's. For more, check the guide in description. 2. Hustle smart with side gigs. Plant income seeds that fit your life. Freelance on Upwork. Write or tutor from home around kids. In Lagos, digital skills earn 50,000 Nigerian Nairas extra monthly. In the US, apps like Uber Eats add $500 for parents. One Nigerian dad secured fees teaching online, freeing time for family. 3. Shift your mindset. Reframe hits as growth teachers. Debt. See it as resilience training. Daily affirmations like, I rise for my family help. Canadian parents post-job loss pivoted stronger. UK families used this during downturns to protect their kids' futures. 4. Involve your family in talks. Strengthen roots together. Weekly money chats teach basics. Explain savings in Nigeria. Adapt to US allowances or UK apps. A Toronto family cut stress 50% bonding over this, building unity. 5. Build an emergency fund. Grow steady from tiny starts. Save 1,000 Nigerian Nairas or $10 weekly in high-yield spots. Amid Nigeria's oil uncertainties or global AI shifts, this net safeguards your children. One Lagos parent avoided loans for emergencies this way. Parents, life hits us all. Hard blows or good turns, but your roots run deeper than the pain. These lessons seed family security from zero, letting your kids thrive beyond your struggles. You hold the power to rise, step by step, honoring your heritage and hustle. In 2026, build that blooming legacy, not just surviving, but securing joy for generations. If this moved you, subscribe for parent-tailored motivation and like to spread the rise. Comment your biggest saving struggle. Let's support each other. Dive deeper with the principles of money, managing your finance. My affiliate pick to start strong. No extra cost, but it fuels the channel. Thanks. Rise strong.